What's up, everybody? This is Traxxas Slash Racing, and today we're going to be doing a part 2 to this Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive build, all from parts. In the last episode we did the front end of it. We got this all done and looking nice. So today we're going to be doing the rear end part, like the gearbox and all that stuff. So what we're gonna need the gearbox. We have some extra gears here. We need the cover for the gearbox. We have the screws. We need the pins. Differential, just more gears and stuff. And then what we need that we already have, we're gonna need this part off the chassis. Rear bumper and rear shock mount or body mount, the rear shock mount, and the 2 rear shocks, and 2 A-arms. So guys, I'm gonna put you in time lapse just to make this go easier because I have to find all the screws and stuff for it. So I'll put you guys in time lapse and we'll get going. Alright guys, we run into a bit of a problem here. For this gear right here, it's supposed to go right here, but there's a pin that goes through this into the plastic piece right here, and then there's 2 bearings that go around here. I don't have any of that stuff, so we won't be able to put that on there. And this other gear, this is the shaft that the spur gear goes on. I was looking at the gearing and the gearing is broke on it. Right there. There's a little piece missing, a little gear missing. I'm not sure what happened there. But there's a gear missing there, so for right now, all we're gonna be able to do is put the rear, sorry guys, the differential on. But we'll get back to it and we'll put everything else together and we'll get this thing done. Alright guys, I think that's going to wrap it up for the rear end. We got pretty much everything we can done. We need tie bars. We need another bearing carrier because apparently I lost one. I had another RPM one. I don't know where that went. We need axles. We can't put the bumper on yet because we don't have a mount for it. And I know this is broken right here. I'm just gonna use it for now. And that should be it, besides gears on the inside too. Well guys, that's it. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to name this. And see you guys all later, and thanks for watching.